Good afternoon, everyone. This is Edison Guzman with Adria Gross. And how are you today, Adria?
I'm doing fabulous, Edison. I hope the same for you.
Yes, absolutely it is. So let's get right into it. What do you have for us today?
You know, some of us are born with deformities, birth deformities. And I could tell you stories about this, but I'm going to give you one story of what happened to this woman. Her family contacted me. She lived in Canada, and they were not performing the surgery that she needed in Canada. So she came to the United States to have the surgery. So the hospital promised her that she had to pay over $100,000. I think she paid around $125,000. I don't know the exact figure, but they said after you have the surgery, we're going to refund you money. So they promised her that they would refund her $70,000. But now she comes to me because they're not refunding the money. So, and they were smart. They reached out, to other people. First of all, they reached out to people asking for donations to help their daughter. And then she spoke to other families in Canada where their children had the same surgery, and that helped us to negotiate the fees down. So I helped them, and they did get paid back over $70,000 out of that $125,000, and they were even able to pay back some of their friends. But 2 years later, the family came back to me. Believe it or not, the surgeon made errors on the first surgery. They went to a totally different hospital in the United States, and believe it or not, because I spoke to the surgeon about this. They did the surgery, they corrected their errors, and they were not charged any money. And I was able to get the hospital to really negotiate a much lower fee for the errors by this doctor.